Man, it seems to be all the same old music. It's all the same stuff. We need something new, something fresh.
Hey, you there. I heard you say you need some fresh new music, right?
Yeah.
Sick of all the same old radio play over and over and over, the same artists, right?
Sure am.
Alright, well I got a place for you right here. This is JustSoRealMusic.info. This is home of the realest indie artists everywhere. We're worldwide, I promise you.
Nice.
We have artists from New York, we have artists overseas, we have artists in California, we have artists everywhere. We keep it real 100% of the time, and we always keep it jamming with live DJs. We got DJ Keisha, DJ Lucas Cash, we even got a cat named P Money, and this dude Nova runs the whole thing. Slick Ticket. So if you're an indie artist out there and you're looking to get your music played on the hottest station on the web, all I can say is get this mixtape, get the web address, JustSoRealMusic.info. And that's music with a Z and a K. Bump that. Let's go. Come on.
Okay. Yeah. Lucas Cash. We gon' set the city on fire with this one. Rack.